So hi, welcome back. So I'm pretty sure this is like probably the first video that I'll ever post with like me in my dorm. And so yeah, so I'm buying a microphone for my phone because so I won't always have my headphones in. So I'm gonna have my headphones in for basically like the entire video, which I know is like really cringy, but like my phone doesn't take video, so that kind of sucks. But we'll get through it. Like it's gonna be fine. Um, so I'm gonna order a microphone and all that. Yeah, so I don't really post that often anyway. I know you guys aren't like sitting around waiting for a video for me, so like, it's fine. Like, I'm just doing this because I have so much energy right now and I need to be working on a paper, but like, I'm procrastinating, so it's fun. But anyway, so if you wanna like stick along and like go through like me talking literal nonsense, please feel free. And I'm looking at myself because like I just can't help this glow. It's so cute. Anyway, so yeah, this is just like my face routine. I haven't done that in a while. Um, yeah, enjoy. I guess I'm not gonna do my eyebrows on camera because like when do I ever? Um, and so yeah, I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna stop now because I'm really starting to cringe myself out. So that was disgusting. So I'm going to use the face primer matte from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to mix that with the liquid glow from Anastasia in the shade Oyster, I think. Yes, the shade Oyster. So, and then I'm going to take a stippling brush, stipple from e.l.f., and just take that and blend it all in and try not to get it on my headphones because that would just not be good. So once that is done, we're just gonna move on to foundation, like a normal day. So I'm gonna use the ColourPop Light 55. I fixed my shade. I went from fair 25 to light 55, if that tells you anything. So if you missed that on last week's video. So anyway, so I'm just gonna pump it on like I usually do, and I'm gonna use a brush because I forgot to wet my beauty blender. So yeah, here I go. And so I'm gonna use the It Cosmetics brush. I got this for Christmas, and I really like it. And I learned that you can't like go in circular motions with the brush. You have to like kind of dab it like this. So now I really like brushes for my foundation. Anyway, so I haven't really like wanted my face to be like really bright. I don't know why. I think it's just because I look so sick when I'm that white. So I'm taking a concealer that's basically my shade, like my skin shade, and putting that right there and blending it out, like a regular freaking foundation. I mean, like a regular concealer. So I'm gonna use the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder, and I've been using, so sorry, up in your personal space. I've been using an angled brush for some reason because like my other brushes just don't do it for me anymore. Like I don't know what it is. So, and this one just feels so good. It's like so soft, and I feel like it just does a good job of like putting it on. So like, I'm not mad. So now I'm gonna go on to contour and bronzing. And for bronzing and contour, like, I haven't really liked it lately. I still do it because, like, I'm not walking out like this, but I don't know, I'm just not a fan of it. But, you know, we're gonna go in with the usual Shade and Light by Kat Von D. The contour palette. Oh my god, I'm not even in frame anymore. I love that. And I'm gonna use a different angled brush. This is from a Morphe collection. I mean, so was the other one, but I don't know. I got it in the face. It's a good brush. I'm not mad about it. So I'm just gonna take this shade and this shade, and put it right here along my forehead. And whatever, like, I don't put more powder product on my brush to do my jawline because I just don't like that look, but I will brush whatever is left onto my jawline. So now I'm gonna take a big fluff brush, that's what I call them, and I don't think I've ever called that actually in my life before. And I think I'm gonna take, I got this powder, a Lorac Baked Bronzer Tantalizer. I don't know if I like that, but I'm gonna take this because it's a little lighter than my Anastasia one. I'm like, we don't want like a really harsh bronze, but at the same time, we do. And so I don't bake. I don't know if I've talked about this before, but I just don't bake my face because, like, I just think it's kind of pointless. And it makes me look like really more caked. So I just don't want to bake. That kind of rhymes. But anyway, but I will take powder and clean up my bronzer. Like, wow, she's really dark. It's whatever, it's fine. Nobody's perfect. But basically, I just take like one of these. I'm not even like sure what they're called, and I've literally never used her for anything else. And you just trace like where you would want your contour to stop. And I kind of bring it down. And so now we're gonna move on to blush. I've literally talked this whole time. It's gonna be so hard to edit this. Okay, so I'm gonna take Partay there from Tarte. I really like this blush. I got this from Sephora for like my birthday, like that little birthday gift. And hold on, give me 1 second. I gotta figure out where my brush is. Oh, there she is. There she is. Okay. I really like this. I think she's like really cute, and I like she's not like super pigmented, so now I'm gonna take a powder brush and just wipe away this. And you see how like it just brings that like harsh line? We love that. And if it's too harsh for you, guess what? You can take your bronzer brush and just go over it. But I kind of like it that harsh. But, I mean, whatever. And I don't know what highlighter I want to use. Like, do I want to go in with, like, a blinding highlight because I'm not going to do, like, eye makeup? Yeah, that sounds good to me. Okay, so we're going to take a different beauty blender. This one that I only use for highlight. And I'm going to take the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Flexitarian highlight. This shit is so blinding. Let me just like show you what it looks on my nose. I'm just gonna take the end of the beauty blender. Are you kidding me? That looks so good in my opinion. Hold on. I need to put a little bit right here. Oh my god. I'm gonna tone that down. Maybe. But like, how cute is she? Like, she did not come to play. So I'm just gonna like drag a little bit, like bounce, not drag. We never drag. But bounce just a little bit on like the high points of your cheek. Okay. So now we're gonna like move on to highlighting more. And I'm gonna take the Morphe 501 brush. Love this brush. And I'm gonna take that over what we just highlighted. Oh my gosh, we love a good highlight combo. I mean, yes. I'm gonna take the Soft Glam look, the Soft Glam palette, and I'm gonna dip into orange soda and burnt orange and just place that all over my lid. So yeah. So now I'm gonna take the shade burnt orange and rustic and maybe like a tap of sienna. That's what I say anyway. So these three colors, and put that on my lid. Actually, so I'm gonna dip into blood sugar. Oh frick, this one, and I'm gonna use the shade. Got it. Ouch, I love that shade. Oh, you don't know what shade that is. This one, and I'm just gonna take that and put it above where like along my crease, just to like darken it up kinda. Putting that in, and then I'm gonna take the shade in Soft Glam, the glistening. I love this for an inner corner shade. I think she's so pretty. Boom. Boom. Now I'm gonna do my mascara, put a little lip on, and be back for my intro and outro. So here's the finished look. Yeah, it's really easy. Honestly, I think I probably over explained it, and it's gonna be an freaking nightmare to edit this because I hate editing. So that's gonna be fun to do. And yeah, I think I like talked nonsense the entire time, so I don't know if I'll leave it in. Maybe we'll see. But anyway, so yeah, I finished the look up with some Benefit Roller Lash Mascara and a Fenty gloss because I can't get into my lipstick drawer because it's so packed, so I can't even open it anymore, so that kind of sucks, but it's fine. It's like I don't really use all that much anyway, but yes. So thank you so much for watching. If you stayed the whole time, thank you. Subscribe if you want. I'm not gonna force you. Give it a thumbs up if you want. I'm down really for whatever. So I'll see you next time I get enough energy to film. So I hated that. That was not cute. So anyway, bye.